Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, 잉글리시아이. I'm a man who is the most famous pastry chef in the world. Today, I'm going to make a very tasty sandwich. You can be a great cook with my own recipe. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me tell you the supplies. First, prepare a cooking hat and sanitary gloves to make safe food. Second, we need bread, basil sauce, cheese, tomato, fried egg, baked bacon, and lettuce. That's all. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, put the bread at the very bottom and apply basil sauce. Second, add a slice of cheese and a tomato. Third, add a fried egg and bacon in order. Fourth, put some black sesame on it. Lastly, apply basil sauce again on the other bread and place it on top. Now, you're done with the most delicious sandwich ever. If you enjoyed my recipe today, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.